I'm coming out here from the kitchen, which you can see is a really good size. Plenty of room in here. The property is about 10 years old, built by local builders, and you're a stone's throw from the town, but it's a nice quiet location off the main road. I'll take you up from the kitchen diner to the next floor, which is dominated by the living room. As you can see, this is the smashing view out there. You can see over towards Chapel as well. Television's fixed to the wall. You've got a corridor there which takes you to the front door, which I'll show you a bit later. This is bedroom 3. This is the small bedroom. The vendor has put some stuff on the windows on this room because you're on the level with pavement. So it's quite nice for the kids to be here in a bedroom. I'll show you in there again. There is a toilet on this level as well, just in there. We're going upstairs again and going into the main bedroom, which is at the front of the property. You count there, you can see there is a bit of parking out there as well if you wanted it. Good cupboard in the corner there, plenty of room for the bed. And then we're going to head off to the last bedroom, which is at the back. Got that lovely view again. You can easily fit a double bed in here, quite easily, but you can see it's toys for the children. And lastly, the bathroom. You can see me in the mirror there. So you've got a shower with a screen, nice tiling.